What's going on here? Was Wolvendom always like this? Paimon, the Wild Hunt! What are they doing here? Watch out!
Gather! Go get it, Aiden! Light compels you!
Lofty wisdom will show us the way! Light the dust!
Oh, are you all right? Oh no, what now? There better not be more Wild Hunt monsters! Phew. You scared Paimon stiff! She thought you were...
Stop right there! Answer me this. The 2 letters I gave you, who are they for?
2 letters? Wasn't it 3?
Okay. Well, Paimon's coolest naive expression doesn't appear to be an act.
Hey! What are you trying to say? Wait, what are you trying to say, huh? Huh? Paimon passed a test? Really? Huh! She didn't even realize she was taking one!
You may dispense with your suspicions. The Wolfpack has borne witness. They fought against the aberrations that encroached upon this land, and our attackers showed no ability to disguise themselves this time. A familiar scent. Come. I will await you at the usual grounds.
Well, if the boss of Wolvendom has vouched for you, I guess I should apologize for doubting you just now.